Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to set up Google verification on KuCoin. First, log into your KuCoin account and navigate to the security settings. Once there, you will find the Google verification section. Click on the Bind button to initiate the process. This crucial step enhances your account's protection significantly, adding an extra layer of security against unauthorized access. It's a quick and easy way to safeguard your digital assets. Next, you will need to download the Google Authenticator application on your mobile device. This essential app is readily available for free on both Android and iOS platforms. It generates a unique, 6-digit, time-based one-time password every 30 seconds, which is vital for your two-factor authentication. Make sure you have it installed and ready before proceeding to the next step in securing your account. Now, open the Google Authenticator app on your phone. On the KuCoin website, you will see a QR code displayed. Use the Authenticator app to scan this code. If scanning is not possible, you can manually enter the provided setup key into the app. This action links your KuCoin account to your authenticator, ensuring that only your device can generate the necessary security codes for login. Finally, to complete the setup, return to the KuCoin page. You will need to enter your KuCoin trading password in the designated field. Immediately below that, input the 6-digit verification code generated by your Google Authenticator app. This code changes every 30 seconds, so be quick. Click Confirm to activate Google verification, adding a robust layer of security to your account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.